Now on the home page, graph menu is oscilloscope function. Press arrow key to move the cursor, then OK to enter. Now we can see its function area. The center is a waveform display. We can see our waveform here in time. The area next to it is data display, including its voltage range, current range, waveform hold function. You can operate as an oscilloscope. Even more, we can transfer between two channels and also press the keys next to it. We can decide the waves to be displayed or not. The screen display will be changed at the same time. Also, we can adjust the data by knob. That's all for the oscilloscope function.